Respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Divanshi Patra of class 3C. Today I am going to narrate a story on two silly goats. Two silly goats. Once upon a time there were two goats, Bolu and Golu. One day they were trying to cross the bridge. The bridge was very narrow. Very narrow. Both of them could not pass each other. Each one of them wanted to be the first to cross the bridge. So they started fighting. Dishu. The two silly goats kept on fighting. Dishu. And eventually they fell into the river and were drowned. So, moral of the story is foolishness is always punished. Thank you.
My dear teachers and my friends, myself Shriyasmita Jaina, class 3C. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story. The title of my story is Time is Valuable. Raz was a very lazy boy. He always postponed things. One day his father called him and made him understand the value of time. He said that you should never waste time. Raz was promised his father that he would never postpone things. One day Raz came to know that he won the first prize in a singing competition held in his school. Raz asked to collect the prize in the very same day. As usual, Raz don't care and went to take the prize in the next day. But now the prize was useless as it was a ticket to a circus that was held in the previous day, and now Raz learned a lesson from this incident. The moral of the story is time is valuable. We should never waste time. We should do the things on its time. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am and my dear friends. I am Sajanam Sao. Today I am going to share about a great story, the peacock and the crane. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful peacock who thought beauty was his only pride. One day, all the birds had gathered for a meeting to select their head. The peacock said, "Look at my tail. Has anyone ever had such a beautiful thing? My feathers are so gorgeous and I look like a king." All the other birds had disliked it when the peacock had behaved like that. But they did not care and moved on his way with pride. As he was select your head. When he moved further, the peacock came across a duck and asked, "Hey ducky, I think it is going to rain. Do you want to dance with me?" The duck answered, "Hey peacock, I don't want to dance." Embracing the duck, the peacock said, "Don't give me an excuse. I know you cannot dance. You are a poor bird," said the peacock and walked away with pride. One day, the peacock met a crane. "Hi crane, have to trim my feathers and tail? Are not they beautiful?" asked the peacock. "Yes, it is," said the crane. The peacock proudly said, "I know it is the best, and I have made him so colorless and boring. I, on the other hand, look like a king," said the peacock. The crane replied, "Yes, it may be, but your lovely feathers help you to fly like a fly high on the sky amongst the clouds and the stars. high enough to see the beauty of the earth. I think not. You just stay close to the ground like an ordinary cow. Fine feathers don't alone fine birds make fine birds, said the crane. The peacock was left with no words and realized that more in life just looking beautiful. Moral of the story. Why shouldn't boast about themselves and criticize about others? After all, fine feathers don't alone make fine birds. Life is unpredictable. Try not to hurt anyone. To date all of you, thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, principal ma'am, and my dear friends. Today my topic is the boy and the cashew nuts. There was a boy who liked cashew nuts very much, so his mother gave him few cashew nuts to eat. But he never satisfied and asked for more. His mother would say, "No dear, if you will eat too much at a time, your stomach will pain." One day, the boy was alone at home. He picked up the jar of cashew nuts. He ate as many cashew nuts as he could. The next day, the boy had a pain in his stomach. He felt sorry for not obeying his mother. The moral of the story is always obey your elders.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Satvik Sahu, class 3C. Today I'm going to tell you a story which name is A Ugly Tree. Once upon a time, in a forest, there was grew many trees like mango, banyan, peepal, oak, etc. Among these trees, there was the ugly tree, which has a crooked trunk. The other trees used to teach him, saying, "You are an ugly tree. Oh no, you such an ugly tree." The poor tree was very sad and saying, "Oh God, why you make me so ugly? Why I am not beautiful like other trees?" One day, a woodcutter came to the forest. He saw the ugly tree. He said, "Oh, this ugly tree has a crooked trunk. It has no use." And he cut out all the straight trees. By seeing this, the ugly tree said, "Thanks God for saving my life. Today my ugliness saved me." Moral of the story is God has a reason behind everything. We should not blame God.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Tamanna Ekka, class 3C. My topic is the farmer his 4 sons. Once upon a time, there was a farmer. He had 4 sons. The sons always fighting among themselves. One day, farmer got ill. He called all the sons. He wanted them